The issues you have with your husband. Mwathani ndoka unjire kana ndige mundu uyu mundu akwenda gutigwo kurigana na mathina maria arangereria uyu mundu Jesu ningumutiga ndingiremwo ona ndi na mbeca ciakwa ndakungia mwathani ni ndakurehera mundu uyu. As you are there having a conversation with Jesus, he is speaking to you. You take your conversations to Jesus. Don't take them to people. Take them to Jesus. He already knows that situation. He knows it. Mundu ria wagukonire mbeca agigukona milioni 5 muthomaga na kanitha imwe na ria watu kuinwo oyaga moko na iguru yes na milioni cia kuithano cie muhuko wake yes na getua ndoi na kaina Yesu hau na kwatwa kuri rwakarira muno igugori wo ni ndwararira tigana nake. Take your conversation to Jesus. Bwana asifiwe. Just tell me the story of Uriah and David. Have you ever thought of that story? It's a very pathetic story. What do you think? Because Bathsheba had children with Uriah. So there must have been children who were left fatherless because a man could not take care of his needs. You know, a man